everybody. Welcome back. I'm going to show you a really cool experiment. Do you like pepper? Usually kids do not like pepper. So I thought of something really cool about scaring away pepper. So first you'll need to start with a glass of water, a wide mouth of bowl, and you'll need some black pepper, and you'll need dish soap. You wash the dish with this soap. So first you'll need to start with your glass of water. Put the water into the bowl, and then take your black pepper, sprinkle it on top of the bowl, and do not shake it, because then you don't want the pepper to sink, and you don't want your experiment to finish and you'll have to do it again. So don't move it at all, because then your experiment will fail. Now, I think I'm almost done. I think I'm done now. And then take your dish soap, just take a dab of it, and then now you'll have to put it in the middle of and this is how you will have to place it on top of your fingertip. Just a dab of it, and then put it in the middle of the pepper and water, and then it's going to scare away pepper, but not the water. The water will look all clean. Then the pepper will go on the sides of the bowl. Ready? This is the cool thing. Did you see that, everyone? So I'm not going to tell you why it happens. If you know about it, please subscribe it.